Are you staying hydrated? Listen, when artists buy beats from me or they get custom beats from me, they get access to my resources, my connections, and why is that? Because as a producer and just someone that likes to be involved in the process, I know that my goal is to help artists be the best that they can be, right? So I want artists to prosper. I want them to succeed. And I've learned in my experience when I talk to artists, they're not used to anything happening beyond them just buying a beat, right? They might buy a beat and then that's it. You know what I mean? And I learned that a lot of times artists feel like a transaction. I didn't want to create that experience when people work with me. So that's why I love sending out resources and it doesn't have to be for me. And that's something that I want to tell any producers watching this is I find videos from people in the community who know more about the music industry and certain topics than I do. I pass along certain companies like Finesse Media that always have events that are always giving helpful resources for artists. I pass on people that I know in my circle that have opportunities. There's a sync opportunity that I know is looking for singers or looking for rappers. I'm gonna tell my artist about it. I'm gonna tell my list about it. I'm gonna put it out on here. I'm going to let artists know so they have a chance to succeed. I recently actually hit Karma. She's an artist on here, and I saw something that popped up in my email, and I thought she would be great for it. I sent it over to her. You know what I'm saying? And that's not even someone who's bought beats from me. It doesn't matter. I love to share what I can. What I'm saying is that if you have the resources, whether you think it's something that is going to be super impactful, you never know. If you see something, a video that could motivate an artist, send it over, send it to your list. If you see an ad for something and it's like a free resource and you're like, I'm not an artist that's gonna need it. But shoot, sometimes I put my email in there so I can get the free resource and then pass it along to my artists so they don't have to sign up. Anyway, what I'm saying is I'm always looking to help artists how I can. Well, again, some people that I put my artists on are the people like Adam I think it's Damian Keys, and some other people that are just around. And again, like I said, I just love sharing resources. I love trying to be as helpful as possible to artists because I want to back up what I'm doing with my actions, right? I don't want to just say, oh, I'm helping artists, right? Because to be quite honest, if you're buying a beat from me, yes, is it helpful in your creative journey? Can it help you have an outlet to what you're doing? Absolutely. However, what happens after that? What happens after you get the beat? How do you release a single? How do you release a single successfully? What about a 21-day plan that you can have? What about mixing and mastering? What people do I know that do graphics? What people do I know that create animations? I know people. I have resources. This is exactly why I do what I do. I mean, for myself personally, not only do I offer beats and custom beats, I also have access to a graphic designer and website designer that creates websites for artists that I work with, that creates graphics like album covers, single covers, whatever kind of artwork you need. He knows how to create it. My guy Ace of Keys, that's who does it, right? I have access to engineers like my guy Guru, who knows how to mix and master professionally. You know what I'm saying? I built a team of people, or just I don't even call it just a team because Ace of Keys is definitely on there and Guap, he's doing his thing. I know I can hit him up and things like that. But I'm reaching out to people I know that can help artists be better. I'm reaching out to people that can help the artists that I know in my community be a better artist, and that's my goal. That is what I mean by when you buy beats from me or you get custom beats from me, you are getting access to the things that I have because I truly want to help. And I know that you probably don't hear that message as often as it probably should be out there, but I truly mean that, and I just want you to know that when you are working with me, you are more than just a number, you're more than just money. Because to be quite honest, I've seen money, I've seen a great amount over the time in my career, and that has not moved me as a person. What moves me is the fact that I can help artists succeed. What moves me is when artists reach out to me and say, hey, This song being released helped change a part of my life. This song being released helped me book my first show. I just booked my first show. I just released this single on Spotify for the first time. I just got my first 100 monthly listeners, or I just got my first 100 plays. Whatever that looks like, that's what moves me. Now, I truly do appreciate all the artists who helped me be able to do this full time, who helped me be able to make a living off this. People who buy my beats and just use my beats to be able to create what they do. I am truly appreciative of all those artists who do. And even for the artists who don't purchase my beats, I'm appreciative of the fact that you are persistent and you're keeping on going. And I don't want you to give up. Whether we work together or not, I'm truly proud of you. I'm so glad that you are doing what you want to do. And if you'd like to work with me, go ahead and go to my website, miniproducer.com. You'll be able to find all of my beats on there. And at the time of this video, I do have my buy 5 beats with unlimited rights and stems for only $100. However, if you don't want to take up on that deal, all of my licenses are just 50 and it's going to come with the unlimited rights and stems anyway. You can either take on the deal or just get individual beats, completely up to you. And if you're looking for custom work, please just reach out to me. We can set up a consultation, go from there, and we'll be able to discuss when it comes to the price and things like that, and just get to work. Truly appreciate all the support. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you stay safe out there, and I hope to work with you in 2023 and beyond. Be safe out there. Peace out.